Good morning. It's about 4 o'clock. We're getting ready to cut in the bathroom walls. We're doing painting today for about, I don't know, 7 or 8 hours. We're going to go through and cut in all the walls in the bathroom, or cut the wall in the bathroom, then paint the bathroom, cut the wall in the other bathroom, do the same thing. And just keep going back and forth until we get finished. So thanks for coming back to the exit strategy. And we're on the downward slope of this rehab. So painting and toilets and faucets and a little bit more work, but no big deal. Check it out. Okay, we cut in once. So what we're doing today, we're cutting in twice and then we're rolling it twice. So everything's looking really good. I mean, you could see how bad these walls are right here. This paint's covering up really good. One thing I did notice is right here on the doors, you know, that's after one coat too, so it's kind of disappointing. So I'm gonna have to go back over that, and hopefully a second coat will take care of that, because I noticed it right here. God knows what, looks like someone just spilled soda or crap all over this. And then the closet doors too, you could just see it. So the walls are gonna look great. I think it's only this room that has like really bad trim. You know, everything else is looking pretty good. I love our new lights. Sorry, I kicked over the drill right there. But yeah, I mean, everything else is gonna look pretty good. We're gonna have new 6-panel doors in here, so I'm pretty happy about everything. I have about, I don't know, 4 hours left, so I'm just gonna try to get this room done and at least another room today. I got both the bathrooms done. They're looking pretty good. It's hard to tell in there because the light's not there, but you can kind of see a little bit. And our hall bath is dried. That's looking pretty good. I really like it. The reason I wanted to get the bathrooms done first is because now, you know, I think it's really important to have all the bathrooms finished and ready to go. Tile looks pretty darn good. I need to clean the tile one more time and then seal the grout. And then I'm gonna do a trim piece around the window and up here at the ceiling too. The tub is gonna be resurfaced in the next couple days. So we're moving right along, moving along. If you remember what this looked like before with, you know, completely cut out, you know, it looks so much better. Very happy with it. Happy with the soffit gone. You know, it's really nice to have that bathroom or the shower go all the way up to the ceiling right there. I just think it opens it up and it looks amazing. Coming along pretty good. Got a first coat in here. Have a first coat in here. I'm gonna do a second coat in here and then move back over for another coat in there, and then we're gonna be done painting for the day. We only got about 40 minutes left. I'll probably try to wrap something else up. Who knows? All right, today was a good day. We got the shower kind of hooked up, except for the bottom bathtub spout. Guess what? The solder broke off, so I need to redo that. Tomorrow morning, I'm gonna install the toilet and the sink and fix that bathtub, God willing. Got 2 coats in the bathroom, 2 coats in the master bath, 2 coats in the master bedroom. Everything's looking really good. And then I only have 1 coat over here in this bedroom right here. It just wasn't dry enough to do a second coat. Everything's looking good though. Thanks for coming back. We'll see you tomorrow morning.